so just going to look at products to sums. So if you have something like in the formula, so go it's sine 3x cos 2x dx, then you've just got to use this formula to break it up. So sine 3x cos 2x, so to be this one here. So breaking it up, it goes sine with a plus in the middle and a half out the front. So it's sine a plus b, so that's 3x plus 2x, because that would be a and that would be b. And then plus in the middle, this plus, and then sine 3x minus 2x dx. So that's a half sine 5x plus sine x dx. Now when you integrate sine, it goes to minus cos, so it's minus 1/5 cos 5x minus sine x plus c. So we end up with minus 1 on 10 minus cos 5x minus 1/2 sine x plus c. Okay, so let's just look at another one. Alright, so if you had to integrate, say, cos, so cos 7x cos 3x dx. So cos will go to cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. And don't forget the half out the front. So you go a half cos 7x minus 3x plus in the middle, cos a plus b, 7x plus 3x dx. So that's 1/2 integral of cos 4x plus cos 10x dx. So when you integrate that, that's a half. Now cos will integrate to sine, positive sine, so you've got to divide by the derivative, which is 4. And cos 10x will integrate to sine 10x with the 1 on 10. And then up plus c. So there's 4 different types of sums, products to sums, and they're used to break up the products into sums so then you can integrate. So it's just using the formula to write it in a way that you can actually integrate. So you just got to be aware, it's like there's a cos, sine a cos b, and cos a sine b. This one's only used to avoid negatives. Like for example, if you had sine 2x cos 5x, then if you go to use the third formula down with that one, so you're going to get a half, so you're going to use this one, you're going to get a half sine a plus b, which is 7x plus, and then 2x minus 5x, which is 3x, with a sine out the front. Now, if you can deal with the negative there, then it's not a really big problem. Okay, so it's going to be a half sine 7x, and then sine of minus 3x, the minus comes out the front, so it's minus 3x dx. So it's a half, 1 on 7, would be minus cos 7x plus 1 on 3 cos 3x dx, plus c. So the only difference with this is if you do get the minus 3, you can leave it in there too and divide by minus 3, but it's easier just to use the rules like sine of minus a is minus sine a, so pull the negative out, and tan of minus a is minus tan a. But in a lot of these, if you get cos of minus a, that would be cos a. And that's basically because minus a is in the 4th quadrant, and cos is positive in the 4th quadrant, but tan and sine are negative. Alternatively to this, so if you didn't do that, you could also do like, if you're integrating, say, cos 2x sine 5x, and you're going to get a negative, you could use this rule here. So it should be the wrong way around. I mean, if it was sine 2x and cos 5x, so you're going to get a negative when you use that. But if you use the other one, then what you do is you make it cos 5x sine 2x, and you make the a always the bigger one, because then you get a half, and if you look at this, a half sine a plus b, which is 7x, minus sine 5 minus that, which is 3x. Okay, and that corrects the sign for you. So that's the products to sums, and you use it to integrate.